It's 11 o'clock and we are following breaking news. A Manhattan grand jury indicts former President Donald Trump. He is the first ex-president in United States history to be charged with a crime. The case centers around the 45th president's alleged role in falsifying business records to hide campaign finance violations. I'm Yuki Washington.
I'm Jessica Cartalia. Tonight, the exact charges have not been made public and the indictment is sealed. Prosecutors say that they are working to coordinate the former president's surrender, which is expected to happen early next week. In a statement, Trump said this is political persecution and election interference at the highest level in history. He maintained his innocence and called the investigation a witch hunt.
The indictment is an extraordinary development after years of investigation into Donald Trump's business, political, and personal dealings.
It also comes as he seeks to retake the White House in 2024. Kerri Corrado spoke with local political and legal experts about what comes next.
The specific charge or charges have not been made public. That indictment is still under seal. The Manhattan District Attorney's Office says more guidance will be available when the arraignment date is selected. Former President Donald Trump indicted by a New York grand jury. The investigation related to payments made to adult film star Stormy Daniels,
which is potentially a violation of federal campaign laws if he was trying to keep her quiet in order to influence the election. In addition, he may be charged with violating New York law for listing that payment, doing it indirectly and listing it as a legal business expense.
When the candidates spend money, they're supposed to be unbelievably careful because that's like a public trust, those funds. Those funds are for the operation of our democracy.
This marks the first time in U.S. history that criminal charges have been brought against a former president.
So he'll presumably need to travel to New York and go through the fingerprinting and the photo and all of those things that usually accompany an indictment.
As to whether or not he can run for re-election and become president,
it's important to keep in mind the Constitution has only 3 qualifications to be president. You have to be 35, a natural-born citizen, and 14 years a resident of the United States prior to service. No other qualifications are needed, so the people are sovereign, and they can vote for whomever they want to sit in the White House. So even if he's convicted, even if he's serving time in prison, the voters can still elect him if they choose to do so.
Again, this indictment is sealed and it is expected to be made public in the coming days. Kerri Corrado, CBS News, Philadelphia.